I thank God so much for giving me this time, and I thank you, Pastor and church leaders and the program committee. Since it's a very special day for the YORLA, I was asking the meaning of YORLA from my husband, and he said the girls who marry outside. Like you also marry outside to me, you are also YORLA. I said, okay. And what he said to me, I said, no, I'm so nervous. I never stand on the stage and speak, so I don't know what to do. And what he said, don't worry, you are Tangkhul, and this program is arranged by Tangkhul, you are the owner. So that word comforted me so much, and my nervousness was low. So I want to say that, yes, there are so many ladies who marry with Tamil or Telugu or French guys, so many. But I think I'm more lucky than you because I marry a Tangkhul guy. And I thank you so much for bringing him in my life and giving me such a beautiful people and community in my life. And before, I was not Tangkhul. Before marriage, I'm a Punjabi from Punjab, Golden Temple City. So I grew up in very strict culture, very conservative. I never talk any boy. Even I study in girls' school. My father was very strict. That's why I never have any boyfriend. And then, but I always pray. I always think I don't want to marry arranged marriage because to whom we never see, to whom we never talk, how I can spend life. I always pray to God that the person should be from your side. I don't know from where he will be. So, likewise, I meet my husband in Bible college, and then, so sorry. Okay. I have two kids. His name is Ezra, and the elder one is Thothermi. We call her Amy. So God bless us with two beautiful children. And then before coming in Tangkhul community, I have already mingled with some of my Tangkhul friends. And I really admire the community Tangkhul people. For me, they are so beautiful. They are so fierce, so stylish. They are like celebrities to me. And I grew up in very simple, wearing only Indian dress. And I always admired them so much. And then I always, after marriage, I was scared. I look different. I'm not so beautiful like them. I was little nervous every time to mingle with others. But with the support of he always support me. He knows whenever I'm going down, he always support me. No, I'm with you. When I'm with you, you don't need to be worried. So it's not only he, but to whomever I meet, to whomever I encounter, I feel so easy. It was only my fear that what people will think, how I look, how I'm different. Even I don't know how to talk proper English. Even I don't know talk how to, the Tangkhul, I don't know. So I was very scared to mingle with others. But when I started mingle with them, they are more easy, what I think, very difficult, but they come out more easy. And then what I feel, the people, before I don't know so many tribes, I just come to know Tangkhul tribe after I'm meeting my husband only. So I find now the people, the Tangkhuls are not only beautiful outside, they are more beautiful in heart. They are more pretty, more simple in their heart. That's why I admire them. And whatever is in their heart, it's on their mouth, it's on their face. It's not like, because I come from different culture, I know people keep something else in heart and say something else, and say something else on your back. So I find these people are very faithful, very simple, not talking many things, and yes means yes, no means no. So that's what I like it most. And then my in-laws accept me very well, very much, and I'm more close to them than my own family. Whenever I have some problem, I always call my sister-in-law, Achon is like this, what shall I do? Give me some ideas. So she is like my first call, she's like my another mother. So I mean, I trust lots, and God bring me in beautiful people. I really thank God. And before coming here, my husband was serving in the church in Delhi. And we spent there 5-6 years. And we had a good relationship with their all the people in Tangkhul community only. For me, Tangkhul people are more easy to mingle than Indian people. So it's more easy for me. So they all became very good friend with me, and then always they are coming our home. Most of the time they stay our home because it was a church quarter. So I had a good time. On the day of my marriage, I never cry to leave my parents. But on the day I have to leave them, I cry 1 week. Even after coming here also, I just cry. I really miss them. All the friends, all the people, all their love and care. I just come in Tangkhul and I learn how to share, how to care for others, how to think for others, how to share and always giving to others. I learn here. My culture is very different. If you give, I'll give you. It's like that. And very strict also. We can just give in our own people, but others is very difficult. We cannot trust. But as soon as I'm in the Tangkhul people, I feel more safe. When my children are playing outside the road and all, I never allow them. But as soon as we come here and if I see our Tangkhul people are there, I'm very free. Go and play. I'm not scared. So I feel very secure. I feel very safe. And it's all because of you people, the love you have shown me and the way you accept me, that makes me more confident that yes, I'm in the right place. So what I want to say is that according to my experience, wherever you are, maybe you are in different culture or in Tangkhul culture, whatever we became today, it's all through God. It's all God already planned for us. So there is no other choice. We cannot complain too much to anyone. We cannot say anything. Just be happy and let's grow as a godly lady. Let's let our family also grow with us, because as the church here, the lady is a key holder. Lady is the one who take care of the house and she is the one who made the house. So it's all depend on us. So let's hold up our families and let's bring unity in our family wherever we are, whether we are Tangkhul or Telugu or Tamil, whatever we become today. Let's glorify God's name through our life, and let whatever we may do or whatever comes out our life may bring glory to God and blessings for everyone to whomever we meet. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank the program committee for making me to stand here. I actually don't know when I should thank this Tangkhul community as well as my husband. And before I start my speech, I would like to say some of my sister and friend has said that Tangkhul guys are not romantic. So they're married to the other person. I would say Tangkhul guys are the most romantic guys. And I believe that you are regretting now. Seriously, you all the people who married to Tangkhul guys will agree with me, right? Yes? Yeah. So seriously, I would like to start my talk. As a girl, we are born. So one day we have to get married and go. So as a parents, my parents, they were very worried that what kind of guy I'll be getting it, or the families, or which traditions I'll be going in. They used to be very, very worried. And when I come to Bangalore, they used to, each and every morning, night, they used to call me every time, how am I, where am I going? So even my colleague used to say, what is this, you don't have a boyfriend or what? All your parents, your mom are calling every day. I said, yes, because she's a mother. She has a concern about me, that's why she called. So when I said, yes, I'm in love with a Tangkhul guy and I want to marry a Tangkhul guy, to my mom, when I said, she was almost heart attack. She said, no, see, you are the only girls, you have to get married in our own tribe, okay? We don't want you to go to the other tribe. I said, Mom, but I have decided. Then my mom said, I would like to meet the guys. I said, fine, you come down. I make her to stay with me for almost a year or more than a year. I make her to be mingled with my husband to know more about him. Then she said, okay. Finally, she said, okay. Cut short. So then, after I got married to a Tangkhul guy, still she's calling me like anything. More than my husband, she's calling me to check out how am I and what am I doing. So, okay, that's how I'll stop about my mom. Then, as a girl, when we get married to a different tribe or different people, there's come a very big role for a husband, because he is the first man whom we know and whom we can share about our feelings. Because other than the family member, the parents are secondary, because he is the one who has to make us comfortable to live with them. So then that comes my husband, his role comes. And he makes sure that I participate in each and everything, whatever the Tangkhul cultures, whatever Tangkhul's traditions. He makes sure that I am there. And even he helped me out in many things, which I don't know how to speak Tangkhul language, but he makes sure that I mingle with the Tangkhul people and learn the Tangkhul language. That's how he motivated me, and that's how I'm standing here today. And also, not only that, I'll just come back to my mom, about my mom. So, after many years, she stopped calling me. Then I said, one day I call up my mom. Why you didn't call me back? Why you didn't call me nowadays? Then she told me, I don't need to call you anymore. I was like, why you don't need to call me anymore? I'm your daughters. You have to call me every day and you have to ask. When you didn't ask me, I feel very sad. Then she said, no, I don't need to call you anymore because I know where you are now. I can die peacefully. That's what she told me. When she said she can die peacefully, I feel that moment was the happiest moment of my life, because every parent, when their daughter get married, they're worried about their daughter life, how they are going to be. But my mom has a confidence on me because of this Tangkhul guy. And he proved that, yes, every person are not like that. Yes, I am a Tangkhul guy, and he proved that, yes, this is how we have to live. This is the love we give to our wife. So I said Tangkhul guy is the most romantic guys. And not only that, when I come to Tangkhuls, I never imagined that, Tangkhul will accept me in this way. Because now the Tangkhul, only not the Tangkhul village of my husband is not only that village, but whoever said I am a Tangkhul, the Tangkhul, everyone, Tangkhul katongan saigoro na ili hitada accept sa kami hi iwiwang ba kula kamahai ne da ina san kuye kala vareli la ningshila ke da ina hiya nang tangao ke ni shinaire.
Krista Wimingli Lakesia Church we Bangalore Baptist Church we pastor kala associate pastor lang meda program committee ping church we kathana sure ping member ping na thumsai korli iwring ka pha salam tra ga hangdale hi thada ithum yola ping wi wang da na thumna atam khushok lakha leshla ka nang ran khami program hi thei lakha ring phala ke hi vare wilum shan khami mangai nei da shan khui kichiwa hi tha atam iwang in the first time ne thada YORLA KAZIP kichile iwang first time ne thada I've never heard before also, so this is for me, this is the first time. Then thada in archive YORLA KAZIP joki thada khanwi thought being yang YORLA pingli akha khani thada you experience thada hangsangai kichiwa when I first came into my husband's family. They know that I am from Northeast, belong to Naga, from Manipur. But they have never heard Tangkhul. Yang Tangkhul ji tribe ji masarang sai shawolong chanilong yang iwi in-laws ping chikoyo. Chen ina iwa Tangkhul tribe ne Manipur waina da hangmi chen iwi take wa tissue da thada mathang titinong abu itung culture hi thai tangkhul wi chat khana hi thai ji hi in hangmi maman nia chena thum lo o the phapta maman thada lang me da ma sang lui la iwi khongnai ra sa ho chen lui na awi thada awi otbom wa thi shu da an khanang da leping thada job da leping li job opportunity tra khami yang especially thada iramui maraw we na la lang me da khang te te tang khon oping lian da job opportunity tra khami thada sa da ithum nai la kaina ring phala kaina akhana khang ka tom rok kha khring ji isawen isani ne thela kha yo tangkhul ji tribe phiwa mathala khai tribe akhani yang ji ani na thada san phui la kha lang me da ani khni win snowping shimkhrui thada thumi thei saping li ani na thada hangji thei maman ni chen in thada thalai na phaning la kha ma chu kheng che tran li thada when we trust God yeah hada ituna virali jahan la kha khring mirin khring ji thada orchak ta chak tar kaina ring wai khawa thada mi ping la o ka pha yu ni yang ji thada thei khuya thun la ya la kha lang me da isan ni long isa wolong na la thada ashu malayali le thada as you all know yang and itum sa kwa thar jari aina ka pam le sing rok la kain ng chon khang rok ji thei la kha athumi tangkhul tribe ji phala khai trak akhan yang da thum thei khui chen ji thad really trak ning sie itum ni thada opportunity mil kha thada mi te hang khai tribe akhali tha tangkhul ji thai ji theng sak khu ji wang really trak ning sie chen are in thada khni thot your laping thada are na thumbi hang sang khai na ba today you are a daughter-in-law of someone yeah so if you treat your in-laws today with love and respect yeah tomorrow we will be a mother-in-law father-in-law of someone's daughter yeah so life is a cycle so what we have done today good things to our in-laws I hope and I'm sure that God will give us that reward once we reach or we have the chance of being a mother-in-law to someone's daughter or son. So today, maybe at this time like maybe we are going through a bitter time or disappointment in life. But I want to encourage each and every one of you, let us not give up easily. Whatever the situation may be, God has placed us with a purpose in wherever we are. And I'm sure most of us are working, maybe in a store, shop, or in a parlor, or wherever it is. Let us use the time in a way that we are being paid. Because you are paid for 9 hours or 8 hours, whatever it is. But if you neglect that half an hour here and there, oh, my boss is not there. Like that, if you take it for granted, that means we are stealing God's time, which is not correct. Then, in third, if we do not faithful in a small thing, then I believe that God will not bless us. So I want to encourage each and every one of us, YORLA here, let us respect our in-laws and let us serve them with love so that when the time comes for us to be a mother-in-law, I'm sure God will reward us for what we have done today. Thank you very much. Thank you all the members of the church, pastor, and once again, associate pastor. I really appreciate and I'm really thankful and very honored to give me such a time to come and stand in front of you all. And most of all, I thank God. It is all because of His grace and mercy that we are all here together and having this fellowship in His presence. Thank you very much.
Kashi hangia yaukom church week than pingle razang kaina tum cycle li ring pa shalam midle hi katha aman shakla khaya tam hili I katha lila share sakhwai da program committee na sem committee wang na thumi ni shila khai re ring phala ke gi chi hangai da da ina phaning ya ari I katha li maning la them khamai bing da da matui the khamai bing na ning sa ni chiwa I thum hili ra jang hai dong thấy khui bay mình lo bay cái là đam khui bay mình lo bay được nên nghe không ina thật là iwi miri nói cái đeo cái share sang ai ấy cái là Bible verse in Ruth chapter 1 verse 16 and 17 chỉ bảo là cái thật là iwi miri nói là patience sa là cái na đeo khang ai chapter 16 and 17 chỉ bảo sẽ Ruth na nali no tha hai laga ili umulu kachi tui maka hang mi lo nawi khawa pamli ila wara nawi kapam pamli ila pamra nawi mi iwi mi sara nawi ware sara nagathi pamli ila thira ili chili chifura mathirang lakha aina tangda ina nali horga hai hor hai akha prohon na thaira nu tang han gai ina tha da hiwi na khui shok laka iwi mirin wi laka deu kha hangai mai ila tangkhul nau akha sao ka te isi tangkhul wi culture no sakra no sanwai chon wai no tha da ngatei te le sare khai na ri vai phei li phok fa tam chitharan vai phei wil achi tha da le sa pu pa mai culture no tha da khim athumi san vai chon vai chan han la han ngatei de le sa pu pa mai atam chitharan ina phaning tha da marakhli ina oda ka sangai he khatha la athum nam sang sangai sam ne kha marakhli ina akha hang kha athum na negative na phaning thui khai la le kala athum na ka hang adam chitharan ina la phaning thui ka hai la le pa mai marakhli wa ina za khangai ja thum na za ngai ma kala athum na za khangai ji na ma za ngai ma ta tha da ka te na wai nang te ngatai da sam phangai ithum tha da notice akha sahau ga da ithum wi khanga cha ji le yaw ga da tha da marakhli wa phaning as mirin hi manung ri ka pai chang da phaning wa ma ya marakhli wa regret la sai adam chitharan tha de ina Ruth hi pa la ga hi tha da phaning khu ye yang Ruth hi gender akhang sak sa ne kha tha la anivu Naomi wi thi shu laga ju sak sa da thui khai ne ana anivu li hangai tha da na wi vare sare da chitha da athi shu laga za thui khai ne laga atam ka chi da vare li ham sang laga ruthi ka zat ne da ithum na rutwi kharachan ka pa tam chitharan madai lang ne tha da 3 points na thei khui pa ya she became one of the famous women in the Bible. She brought good names to her family and to the nations. Most importantly, being a Gentile, she named one of the important person in the genealogy of Christ. That had itumna arudwi krachan pa kyang adam chitharan hi da thai khuye. The itum aj yola khasada Rudwi Krajan Pak yang Adam Taran itum na thai khui ji itum yola bing hila ishi shimkhur or ishi Tangkhul yur hi phang sak sai ji ka itum wilila thada phaigar ka khalei da khlei nei de shan khui itum yola bing na dada khamashung shong fuli mazat la mathada mazat da ka ashiva ashishim khurjiwa kala ashitangkhul yurwa hi thai da hangrai kha na ina masung da za thai kha o ashishim kurjiva phalakho ashitangkhul yurwa phalakho da minanga sek babam gichne te chithada sada thade itum achu yola sada ishitangkhul yun la phang sak sei jilala kalashim khur mathang sak sei jilala itumui la ka chung khlei da khlei ne chena itumna kali kha wala la itum ka chat ka kar apam ka chi da vareling chi la ka sata kha thad shitsang ai itumui na ishitangkhul la mai khya samphang la re da ishi tada yola mang maning mane ari ayarui na ishitangkhul li fu kraping la leiba bam da klei ne tada na thumli la hitada hangai na thum ara tangkhul naw akhasa da ra khai ne je na thumwe na khamatha ji ishitangkhul naw ping la tam khui khwai le da klei ne je na ithum yola ra no ra khai ni thum sai ko kali kha zat la tada phak mai chili vareling chi laga itum chat se itumui kazat pam ka chi da itumui mashun chili zat laga mina khaya shi ga payam mi awang sang sak se gi hi ina hangai kala khanawa sa da itum tada yolawi mashun sa da la achira jang khai na thum sai ko really adam ka chi da itum yola ping limam lai mi haila ngatom mi chinglo kala na thumi se ha ga sa chi thum li mi chinglo chi hang khai nei ni shla ka
agan thor thui laga kacharek laga me Victor Lifon sa hausiga I khi ka hang siklayang da me thei thui ne phaning ning laga hamada la ra hain ari la me thei rang ka tha sa la ishi Tangkhul church na thada itum yola ping hi le shila kaina zimik shwa kha room mi laga siasa mi khwai da langjin sa mi khai zimik shwa hi itum mang matai la ke jai da ki mang thai sa la ring phai ning she ji mang la ra hang ge jai da khran remi thui da sa fa ra la ning she hi tha thada ring pham tai la khai zimik shwa itum ni sam phang khang sak bi wang kala church di church with pastor, associate pastor, deaconess, kala member sai ko really ning she ada itum na church li itum na sami hai or itum na sharu kui mi hai le ki kam le ne kha ta sa da la na thumi le ki shi kala na thumi siasa khami ji itum ni le chi nge ji he na thum na thumi uklung mang lim hai la tha da na thum otsa ain la ji thai la ga itum ne az hi ta az mi sho sam phang khang sa ki wang la ring phai ye kala ning she ta hangai ye kala thata na thumna sinal bala nai na la na thumi atam mai na la kala na thumi kharjan khamatha ka chung khai na la ithumle tam ji thai mi da iwi thai ga khuyai na yang kha hi ka tha otsak ka sa or your laping we bang hi ta sia sa khame hi ina khrela thai ye kala thada ka chung ga hi ta he tang pro wen na thai iwa church khang thai kala chat khang thai la cha ham them ne ajon hangi shavan ofan thara la ga hange as is make sure na thum your la sai ko ro we bang ma thorain ha pok la ga ngayain tang da thada church na ram hi we na ayar khang thai li fu thui hai ping wang sia sa mi da sara e ga aju hina ga khni ina thada ga thai sam phang ne khang thai apam li hada you experience ati sure la thada ina I arriva church khang te we member sa hai re ka tha sal itum na thada khiang tharan aya li fu thui khai ping church ra ka ching kha itum activities li active sa lang za ke sa da rashon ji khlayang a we church li ma za pai ji ka itum ning li la ji tha khlai na ba ye kha isi church liver itum na ra kha the church shokai la isi we pastor ne associate pastor ne la ga church we chronoping itum ya tam ji ta thada matham tu tup sam phang la ga ya na thum la ra la thada ra ka jing lo la ga ki ka function le la special sala ga na thada itum li program ka tha invitation card ka tha Mother's Day Christmas every time itum li malai khai ma sami la ko thada tam ji da invite cha jing e itum li thada ina shan ga khui tha kha aju hili le da khle itum your lapping hi probably hang da kham hai vu ji hi itum ka tha ne da shan khu ye ka ja hi ka tha aman ka saka itum na church we na thui hai sala la tha da adam ji da church kai khli wa amingai tang da lam lai hai nga wa e ka li zat de khle ji ma ka thai nga wa e ka tha la tang ko lui ram hi ri ke li
Bangalore hili le dak le itum hiya ka hili ka malai khaim sa la na thuna ta gji da tha da itum le phaning shon ji phaning la da ya ka jang khat itum me wang atum na sia sa mila ga itum na rang ka an da thui hai sa la la itum na ngadai da zat hai sa la la itum me shimpan rampan li ka la itum me sa khwa ka chi bali matha mai khawai ka la khamashung ji li zat khawai church ne itum li malai khai itum me awa a kha sa la ka tha da le la ke ji itum le shan khwing sa ke ka la na thum li la ning shila khai re na thum na hi da tam ji de thum li phaning khami hi wa ning shi ring phai ge je he da tu ma ngai na la tu ma ngai na thum na ga hang ne kha tha sa la tha da lang mai khar da la hangai kha express ba sa thai ge je jawra le yang tha da ning li chong ring ga pha ka pen ji la ye ka la tha da I thum aju he in a mang ga tang maning la ka I thum me zat wa gi ta khai merin atam ga chi la na thum me sia ka sa he tha da mam lai mi hai la ko sa mi chi ing lo ji he hangai ye kala na thumui sia sak mi mangai na ithumai shong zat ka chi vili ithumai ka zat ka kar chi vili ring phaching te le ji na thumli la hangai he la ri a jon na hang hai tha da at time sa da ithum futui la ga zat li tha da mi ithum shnau ha sa da every moment every step ithum ni challenging sala ka ha tam lang awa ye ka tha sa la la ithum na jik tha challenging points khara tam ji thran li la itum na ready jahan laga kala na thum na sia sa khami phaningong laga itum na la kamashung ji sa shap khawai thada ma ka phasili or itum temptation ka chung ka ji itum ba kong lui khawai na thum na la mang ashong la sia sa mi lu shit la ji hi hangai he shila ke
Sing the whole